This is the CUCKOO Rice Cooker. Whenever we make rice in this, it comes out perfectly every time. This is definitely a convenient thing to have in your kitchen. It's really kind of cool too. I like the compact design and this oval shape. It just looks kind of cool to me. Well, here's the button right here. Press that button, opens up like that. This also has, a little lock. So, this will lock down and it seals properly. The inner pot where your rice is placed is dishwasher safe. Also comes with instructions engraved on the inside and measurements on making both wild rice or white rice. It also comes with this small spatula. I do like the size of it. Very short and small, but it's also perfect for storing it right inside that inner pot. It's also got these little ridges here so it can properly grab the rice. This LCD display and all of the touch buttons add to that compact design and look. This is where, of course, you can go through all of the cooking options and the functions. The only feature that we tend to use the most is this start quick press twice method. So it's just a quick setting to get your white rice done. We hit that, we get that going, and it'll take about 30 minutes. You can move on to something else while this does its thing. And the reason why I'm giving this product extra points is because it does have a delayed timer feature where you can program this to start cooking whenever you want. So for busy families or busy people, this comes in handy. This rice maker is a winner in the kitchen.